Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be restoring the Packard Bell Legend 386 itself. This is part 3, and this computer looks pretty clean on camera. Once again, this is a 14 megapixel camera, and unfortunately you guys cannot see it, but right here is a really nasty dirt. Really nasty. Sorry about that. Okay, so right here I have this very dirty, man, I can't think. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this up. It already looks much better. Okay, let me get the towel. Not a towel, this. Just an old paper towel. Just let it dry. Sort of. Yeah. This is fairly clean, and that's just from that. It already looks much better. But right here, I need to scrub that. I think I'll get the toothbrush for that one. Yep, here we go. This is just plain water. That's that. There's no soap in it or anything. I just want to clean it like this. This computer does smell like cigarette smoke, though. See, look at that. It already looks much better. I got this thing for free at a trailer park, so. And literally the day after I got this, literally the trash came and would have taken this. So it was rescued from the trash. It's fully functional except for the hard drive. I don't have a spare hard drive right now, so this will be the end of the restoration for now, after this. It's stained. Actually, no, it's not. It just needs a lot more scrubbing. This is the main corner. It needs most work. Also on the side here, it's very nasty. I'll go ahead and get the bigger brush. Okay. Sorry about the wind. It's really cold outside too. I really like being outside, so. There we go. It's coming off. Okay. Go ahead and drop it down. I'm gonna scrub that later on, get some more of that off. But here. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this up so it doesn't fall. There you go. A few marks here and there, but it takes a little bit of scrubbing and they're gone. Here, power button. That's stained here. Okay, here. I'm off to clean this. But for now, this will make it easier to scrub this. I don't know if this works. I don't have any 5 1/4 inch floppies. I believe this is the 720 kilobyte drive, so I don't have any of those. Actually, maybe I do for an old Mac, but those are already all programmed for that, so. But otherwise, no, when I plan to sell the Mac. I don't want the Mac anymore. But I do want this. This is a Packard Bell. I really like Packard Bell computers. Hopefully I can get Windows 3.1 on it. Okay, lovely. Hair. I was just putting hair on it. This is not working. I need a better cloth. See? Just putting crap on. Okay. This one's all gross too. Oh, dang it, I ran out of paper towels. I used a couple of them. Man. I need the power button to sparkle. But it's all yellow. Looks a little better. really just put that all on there? Ah, man, I think it is. I'll let it air dry. Oh, come on. Came off pretty good. Yeah, pretty clean under there. Okay. Here. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, here. It's got little speckles on it. Okay, here. It scrapes off. It's on there pretty good. Pretty well, I mean. Okay, it's as clean as I can get it. No, yeah. Okay. that looks much better. The top is very gross. Here. Try again. It's just smudging more dirt. Hold on. Let me just keep scrubbing. At least it'll be loosened up. And then I'll clean it off later, I guess. Ow, my back. Hurts. Okay. There we go. Now I'll turn around to the back side. Okay. It looks pretty good back here. It is pretty dirty though. I don't want to get these labels all messed up, so anyway, let me go get that toothbrush real quick. I'll try to scrub in here too. Okay. Here we are. I'll just get a corner here and just dry it out. I already looked at the inside, it's really clean. Ow, I just sliced my hand open. I already knew the edge was probably sharp. And now I know for sure it's sharp. Accidentally. That's just from that. Okay. It looks pretty good actually. Now let me go ahead and I'll wipe this off, I guess. It's clean. Still, you can see all the dirt smudged up here. Okay, where's the big brush? Hold on, I gotta find the brush back. Here it is. Let me go get a paper towel. Hey, found some more. Okay. There we go. This looks much better. What's crazy is I actually have the monitor and keyboard. This looks much better, I would have to admit. I'll give this one last wipe. Okay. Just go and get some water on here. Okay. Most of the dirt probably blends in with this color, so. Okay. Here we are. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is clean, I suppose. It looks pretty clean. Okay. The feet have moved, but I'm going to leave them alone since they're on there pretty good. What did I do? There it is. Okay. A couple little spots of rust over here. Okay. Let me go ahead and turn it back over again. Probably give it one good wipe down again. There you go. Actually, I think that's good. I don't think I can get any cleaner than that. It's pretty good looking. Here, I do have something to show you. So, yesterday, I restored something. The Packard Bell keyboard. There's a lot of glare, dang it. Terrible. Well, anyway, in part 2 you'll know how dirty it really was. Dang it. Focus. Brightness is all the way up. Oh my gosh. Focus. Anyway, I took it all apart. Extremely dirty. I took all the springs apart from the keys. This is whenever I showed all the black mold. It wiped right off. And I also took the screws out. Opened it up. Pulled it out. Took the shell and scrubbed it, as you can tell. Drying. This is dirty. And I scrubbed it down with a toothbrush and just kept doing the process over and over so I would not have to take that tiny little screws and risk stripping it all or whatever. There you go, all back together, all clean. I wiped down the cord, and I showed a little bit of the dirt, you can see. And then, that is the clean keyboard. See, clean. Here. No? Yeah, there we go. Clean. No. Yeah, so look at that. Nice and clean. No more black mold. It actually did a black mold on it. So did the computer. So, with that, now I have a nice clean computer, clean monitor, and keyboard. The only thing I need now is a hard drive. But this is pretty much a perfect example. This is actually a perfect example of the Packard Bell Legend 386X. This one has the 5 1/4, obviously. 3.5 inch. I believe this is the 720 kilobyte. But yeah, I don't have any, floppies that work at this. I know of, especially 5 1/4. I don't have any of those. But anyway, I don't have the key either, but it does open up. So, but thank you guys for watching. And next time you'll see this computer, it will be a video on the operating system. So thank you guys for watching.